Welcome to the French Drain Man YouTube channel, where you come here for the truth on how to do French drains the correct way, where the camera is on the subject matter and not me. Okay, so this is a typical excavation for a French drain system. This was a flat area, so we had to run 3 parallel with a couple balance tubes. Actually, we have 3 balance tubes as well. One of the questions we get asked is, do you fix the sprinklers? Absolutely we do. So you have to cut the pipe. It's the only way you're going to get the fabric in. And then we just go ahead and we put couplers in and we reconnect that. We'll get the fabric in, we'll go ahead and put the pipe in, and then we'll reconnect that. Our pipe will go underneath the sprinklers. So you can see right here we remove this piece as well. There's the 2 couplers. Once our fabric's in place, the sprinklers have been all set up over here with couplers. Here's a coupler, putting in the fabric, going to fit the fabric, go ahead and cut the fabric to fit, pin it back, and then put the pipe in. Another question we get asked all the time is, will the sod grow over your French drain system? Because we do not use inlet basins. Inlet basins let contaminants in. Yes, the sod will grow on our system. Do you have to irrigate? The question is, will it dry out in the summer? Well, yes. This system will draw the moisture out of the ground. I mean, it's amazing. These systems don't take a day off. They don't take a minute off. They're constantly pulling water out of the subsoil as well as capturing all the surface water. So during drought, you do need to irrigate. There are some techniques. If you're on a big commercial lot that has no sprinklers, you could just run French drain in the collection areas, and then you could just take a solid pipe out to an area of discharge so that you don't have to worry about this dried line, so to speak, exposing where the French drain runs. We'll shoot future videos on such subject matters. If you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.